friends, welcome back to our channel TravelOPedia. Today we begin our 3-day journey into the peaceful world of Kanha Shantivanam, the global headquarters of Heartfulness. Our day 1 starts as we drive through the serene approach road leading to the Kanha. It is surrounded by greenery and calmness. This journey itself feels like a start of a wonderful and peaceful retreat. By the time we reach to the place, don't forget to like to our channel and subscribe to our channel. Now, on the left you can see the medical center. They have their own dedicated medical center for the people who come and stay over here. Now we are about to reach our place and our final destination. Here comes the Kanha Shantivanam. Now, as we enter the campus, we are welcomed into the space dedicated to meditation, inner peace, and spiritual growth. Kanha is spread across thousands of acres and is known for its cleanliness, greenery, and positive vibrations. Now let's explore this place. This is the dormitory area, and our first stop is public dining area. This is where visitors, school groups, and tour batches have their meals. The place is very simple, clean, and managed with great care. Meals are provided here to everyone with love and affection. Next, we move to the parking area outside the dormitories. The new trainees attending the 3-day Heartfulness meditation workshop stay over here. The dorms are neat, comfortable, and surrounded by peaceful nature. So let's take the tour inside. Here we go. Now this is the place where you can keep your footwears. They have ample amount of space, and this is on the right was the registration counter. Let's take you inside. This is the actual dormitory area. Now let me take you to one of the rooms. Now here are the dorms. They provide you bedding along with when you stay here. So next, for those who are looking for private stay, Pearl Hotel is a convenient option. It is inside Kanha only. It is comfortable, well maintained, and perfect for families or individuals who prefer privacy while attending the sessions. Now, next we move on to the main dining hall where thousands of people eat together. Let's check it out inside. Now this is the place. The one very beautiful aspect here is equality. Everyone sits down at the same level and eats the same food. Exception is given to elderly and physically challenged people, whom they provide special assistance. Now let's go further. Now we have reached the heart of Kanha, the central meditation hall. It is the largest meditation hall in the world. This is serene, massive hall which can accommodate 10,000s of meditators at once. Now surrounding the central hall, there are small other halls which are called the satellite halls. The staircase will lead you to the one of the satellite halls. That satellite hall is a place used for beginner sessions, guided classes and workshops. This is where the new trainees like us will attend the classes during the next 3 days. Wow, it's so big. The flag past. You can see the meditation place. Now, as the evening falls, Kanha transforms into beautifully lit space. The calmness, the lights, and the peaceful atmosphere create a magical experience. This is how our day 1 ends. Thank you for joining us on day 1 of our stay at Kanha Shantivanam. Day 2 will be even more exciting. I am saying again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.